Hello all, welcome back to basics. Now we are going to see a few more concepts in the MDS. In the MDS you have levels and members. Levels is nothing but the way whatever you group, they are called as the levels, and what are the values or what are the data you have under that levels is nothing but a member. Now see, I'll go with the data hierarchy. We take have the calendar year, that is nothing but the level, and the 2005, 2006, 2007, that all are called as the members because these are the values under the calendar year. Now in the SQL server, the same way, you can call the members separately. You can call all members or you can call individual members. And all members, when I give all members, you can see this query. If I execute this, I'll get all the members. Even the data which doesn't have any year, I'll get all the data for 2010, 11, 12, 13. I'm good. Now if I want to call only for 2013 or 2010, I can directly give this data. I'll get the data for only okay, yeah, sorry, it's a parse expression. Now when I give it, I'll get. And one more thing you have to remember, this square bracket is nothing but it will separate the name or it will separate the values too. And now I have given 2010. Yes, it's working fine. What I'll do, I'll have the data some different one. Here I am giving that one, and even I give Amberson, both will work fine for me here. Even I give Amberson, both will work fine for me. And because that's because the 2010, when you give the ampersand, it is going to call the key value. When you don't give the ampersand, it is going to call the value. Okay, and the best example, and this works only when the key and value both are same. What I did in the cube, if you see here cube, I have created one called day number of a week. Actually the name day number, if you see the explore data for the dim date, then day number of a week is nothing but the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the English day name of a week is Saturday, Sunday. So what I have given here is, I have given day number of the week. So the backend, it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, but the value I have asked to display is that English day name. I have given the property to show the value is English day name. At the same time, the column name too. If you click here, the value in the column is English day name of a week, means I am given Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but not 1, 2, 3. But originally the data is being stored as week numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we see the same thing. What I am going to do here is, and this is related to the Amberson symbol. I'll drag and drop that one, day number of a week. Yep, dot all members. I'll execute the query. I'll get all the data here. Everything I'll be getting. Now if I want to call a Sunday, now the same way we'll try it. Ampersand Sunday. Done. If I execute this, I will not get any data here. But if I give 1, then I'll get a data. So generally you will use the ampersand to call a member key instead of a member name. This is for the ampersand, and you also use a square bracket. So let's take for the order date, I'll not use a square bracket. I'll not use a square bracket and execute. It will throw an error because the order date, the system will be confused. That's the reason whenever you have spaces in names, so please keep the square brackets. Now it will work. Now we will see the measure. Measure is a single name, right? It doesn't have any spaces. So we'll execute the measure here by removing the square brackets. That worked. Okay. So whenever you have spaces in the names, or whenever you have any reserved word, there will be a system reserved words like columns. You might have the same column, you might have the same names as a columns in one of your dimensional measure. Then it's a reserved word. You can't call it directly because that is a reserved word. The system will misinterpret it. That's the reason you have to keep it in a square bracket. And ampersand, you are going to use ampersand to call a member key instead of a member name, because for the number of day number of a week I have stored the name value, but at the back end the key is the one which is being assigned to it. That's the reason I have used the Amberson. And then we have seen what is a level and what is a member. Level is nothing but the way whatever the data you group, that is nothing but the level, and what are the values you got under that level is nothing but the members. So these are the few concepts, and I'll explain few more concepts. Thank you guys. See you. We'll meet in next video. Bye.